Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you've probably seen from the Friday video, I have a very super exciting video, well, exciting for me at least, that I am about to unleash on you guys. So, rather than me ripping apart this box and trying to jibber jabber, I'm going to hit the pause button and come straight back to you once I open up this video and tell you what this is all about, hopefully to try to cut down on time. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, enough said. I have opened up the package, and boy oh boy was it packaged. Martin sure knows how to package things up. And this here is just one of the many things that Martin does. If you guys don't know who he is, well, go check him out. His details are below. Please, if you're from the US or anywhere outside, use his email, use his Twitter. If you're in the UK, phone him up. But there you go. So let's take all of this packaging and move it out the way, because I do have something exciting to show you. And this is, there we go. I got another silver testing magnet, another neodymium magnet. So that's not what I want to show you. I love it. So the big thing was, and I know everyone in their right mind are showing these right now, it is, and by the way, for good cause. I'm going to zoom in because I think you guys are going to really appreciate these things. So I have here the 5 mark Germania. Yep. Yes, I do. Now, initially I had ordered 2 of these. But if you see my previous video, you'll see that I ended up getting 2 Krugerrands. And I thought I lost my mind, which is not beyond the realm of possibility. Anyhow, so I got, I contacted Martin. He immediately apologized. He was straight on it. He had 1 of these left. There's another batch coming in, and there, by the way, there is another batch, I think about 1,500 that he has that's coming in. So if you want to get one, you better get one quick, okay? So I grabbed the very last one that he physically has. So I have it. It's here to my possession. I now own one. And yes, I am going to go for the blue, and I also am going to go for the multicolored. Hopefully I'll have an update with you guys about the prices. Because I believe today is the release. It's Monday the 17th. Yeah. So we'll do it. So that was one of the items. So how did Martin make it up to me? You know, I'm not that fussed. Martin's a great guy. Well, let's start off with this. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this. This is a 1 troy ounce. This is 1 pound here. It's 3 nines fine silver. Gibraltar. 1 pound. Elizabeth II. What did it say there? Yeah, 1 troy ounce there. And an England one. 3 lines on the wall. There we go. Right in a crest. It's actually underwhelmingly intricate, if that's a nice way to describe it. It is incredibly detailed, and I'll try to zoom in slightly. But yeah, it is a bit underwhelming. You can see all the details here of the rivets. Let's try to get both hands so I can study it. And the pearl-like finish and stuff on the sides. And the rose background here. Very nice mirrored finish right in the middle of the crest. See there, 2018. So, yeah. So this is one of them that I grabbed. I say one. Yeah, one. So I think I'm the first person to show that as well, because it only just came out from my understanding. So what's the second thing that Martin sent to me? Well, there's no right way to show this, but I am going to show it. Oh yeah, I have the silver. I don't have the copper, by the way. I am desperate, by the way. If any of you guys out there have a spare copper one, if you don't mind, I don't care. I'll pay for it. I want a copper one of these to go with this, because this is amazing. World of Dragons, 1 troy ounce, 999 silver. That looks so evil. Looks like it's staring right at me. And the scales and everything is just so intricate. If we flip, I don't know which is the front and which is the back, but we have the Aztec there. Let's just put this a bit closer so you can see. Look how the Aztec just stands out. We also have the DE logo here. And look at that dragon. Now, I got all of these before Martin even put these on his website. So, you're going to wonder how much I paid for these, right? Well, let's just put it this way. I bought the two Krugerrands, the two 1 ounce Krugerrands, and I paid far less than what they would sell in the shop. I was supposed to receive another Germania, but I didn't, so I opted to receive 2 of these and to deduct whatever it was. So in total, these here cost me £6 each. Obviously minus the Germania and minus the discount. In total, it worked out as I was paying about a little bit over spot price for the 2 others, which are missing here, but with the Germanias for all of these. And I thought, wow, just amazing. I mean, we've all seen the Germania, and until you actually have it, as everyone always says, you really can't appreciate how nice it is. And it really is a lovely, lovely coin. The Aztec Dragon, as I said, just wow. 3 9s, it is gorgeous. So please, if you have a copper one, I want to know if you're willing to, to send me one or whatever. Just let me know, please, because I really am looking for a copper one. And the 3 lions. This is a new one, guys. And yeah, I am proud to be showcasing those. So, tell me what you guys think. I hope everyone's having a great time. I know that I'm expecting some more parcels coming through before I set off on my adventure to Scotland. I'm really looking forward to meeting up with some new people and having a great time, but at the same time, I'm kind of sad because it means I'm not going to be here and I'm not going to be able to do the stuff I really, truly love. So my YouTube videos will be, if I do and I'm able to make any whilst I'm away, will be very, very short. Because I like to do things on the day. Today is Monday. That's it. It is coming up to 9 o'clock in the morning. And I really am looking forward to, you know, getting a bunch of stuff done. I have wrapping to do, and oh my God, yes. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and, you know, let me know. I can't wait to find out how much, I should find out today, how much the price for that blue one, which I'm not really keen on, but I'm going to buy it, and the colored one, as in multi-metals one. I'm going to buy that only because such a limited mintage. The Three Lions is just fantastic. As I said, it is intricately underwhelming, and the dragon is just awesome. I'm not a big fan of dragons like a lot of my friends are, but overall, yeah, I think if that's the series I need to check, I'm going to be collecting it because I think it really is super, super cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great week. I hope this is a great start. Might as well get the silver magnet in. Hope this kind of brightens up your Monday morning, and I hope to see you guys later. I'll put my email address in the description, so please feel free to contact me, especially if you have one of these, you know, copper round dragons, because I know that they're floating out there in abundance. But can I buy one? Not without paying a stupid amount of money. So just let me know. You know, no huge favors or anything like that. I don't want to have to get called back for a favor. But let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button. Please, please, please leave a comment. Yeah, 2019 is coming quick. I have a heck of a lot going on. In fact, I actually have one of my viewers. She's sending me some coins. I'm not going to mention her name or details. Not only for my boys and I to just have a look. I mean, apparently they're nothing special. To me, they're very special because why, you know, someone going out of their way like that is amazing. And I've never been approached like that. And I thought, well, okay. But anyway, yeah, so let me know. I hope you guys have a great start to your week, and I'll catch up with you guys on Wednesday. All right, bye for now. Thumbs up, guys, please.